Right, so what does it actually mean to connect with the breath? So I'm Jen, and I'm going to just speak about what this actually means to us, because so often in yoga practices we're hearing, just connect to your breath, connect to that feeling of breathing in and breathing out. But what does this actually mean? So firstly, the breath is our life force energy, which in Sanskrit is known as prana. It is something that naturally flows in and out of the body, and we don't even have to do anything to make it happen. It's just happening to us. So you can begin to think of it as you're not actually doing the breathing, but you're simply just being breathed. Your breath is doing all of the breathing and all of the action for you. There is absolutely nothing that you have to do. So when we really connect to the breath, we're simply witnessing the breath and witnessing the impacts of the breath. So you may even begin to notice that as you practice more often and you get a lot of heat floating in and out of the body, your pranic energy, or this life force energy that's being touched to you through your breath, begins to feel a lot more yummy or alive, or just really delicious in and out of the body. You may start to feel tingling sensations or little vibrations, or you may just feel really, really good. So to connect to the breath is to connect to all of the energy that the breath is giving us, not just the breath itself. And we're going to be doing a lot of this in my series, Vinyasa, for toning and flexibility and strength. So feel free to come and join so that you can start to connect to your breath with me.